How to make a t-shirt embroidery? Firstly, we make the t-shirt ready. And if the material is very thin or is very soft, we need to put some backing cloth under the t-shirt to stable the stitches. We need to choose the right suitable t-shirt frame according to the size of your logo. And then we cut the backing cloth. And next, we fix the t-shirt on the t-shirt frame. You can fix the t-shirt on the frame according to the place you want to embroider the logo. And then we press it to fix it on the frame. There is a screw to adjust the tightness of the frame according to the thickness of the material. After we fix the t-shirt on the t-shirt frame, we come to the machine and fix the supporting frame on the machine. The position is according to the frame you choose. This is for the biggest frame, and this is for the rest 5 different sizes frame. After we fix the frame well, we choose frame on the control panel. Choose the right frame, which you fix the t-shirt on. And then the frame will move automatically. And then we can fix the t-shirt frame on the machine. Make sure it's fixed well. And then we come to the machine operation. You can choose the design as you like. And then you can check whether the direction of the design is what you want. If the direction is right, you can skip this process and go to next procedure. Here you can choose the color for this design. Each color is for each part. After you choose color, you can go to the next step. Here you can see the design position in the frame, and then you can adjust it by these buttons. Here is a button to adjust the frame moving speed. After you adjust the position, the design to a proper position, you can check border. You can check border to see the area of the design. And then we make the machine in working condition. And here it has a button to adjust automatically color change and manually color change. If you want automatically color change, you can press this button. And after this, you can press Start button to make the machine working automatically. After you finish these settings, you can press Start button, and then the machine will work automatically.